If you play basketball, you may sometimes feel like you're dunking with a meteor instead of a ball. So today, I'm going to achieve your imagination in Filmora. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the notification bell and click that subscribe button, so you're always up to date on our latest video releases. Let's start by opening Filmora 10. I've prepared dunk footage for this tutorial already. Let's grab it into the timeline, keep the dunk footage, and delete the rest of the video. Now, it's time to apply motion tracking. Put the playhead at the first position of tracking. Double-click on the footage to open the editing menu, and under the Video tab, go to Motion Tracking and check the box to apply the effect. Then, you can see the tracking box on the preview window. Move and resize to select the basketball. Then, click the Render Effect button to let Filmora analyze the footage. It seems like the tracking is a bit off, so we're going to have to tweak it. First, let's trim the clips into two parts from where the tracking box is off. Then, readjust the tracking box by 2 frames. And click the button to continue the auto-tracking process. And now you can see that the basketball is being tracked correctly. Next, let's add some animations to the ball. Let's go up to the Elements tab. I'll use an energy wave element under the Elemental Energy pack. Drop it on top of the video clip and resize and match the start point with the center of the basketball. Now that everything's been set up properly, let's go back to the motion tracking menu and choose our element from the drop-down menu in the motion tracking section. And then, I'll do the same editing for the next 2 fire elements under Elemental Fire Pack. Now, I want to add an explosion to the dunk, so go to the Elemental Explosion pack and select your desired explosion element. Drop it into the timeline next to the fire element, then adjust the position to match the center with the basketball hoop. Let's see how it looks. The explosion just isn't strong enough, so let's make it stronger. Trim out the jumping moment of the dunk. Then, click the Effects tab and select a shake filter for the jumping clip. Here you go, we finished. It's pretty cool and easy to do, right? Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have any questions or problems that affect your editing process, leave them in the comments below. I may answer your question in our next tutorial.